If you watch children closely, you'll notice something beautiful. They don't stop when they make mistakes. They pause, look, and try again. That small moment of persistence is where real learning lives. Neuroscience now tells us why. Each time a child realizes something didn't work and tries again, their brain isn't failing. It's adapting and building new connections that make future success easier. Every time we get something wrong, the brain sparks with activity. A tiny region called the anterior cingulate cortex lights up. It's the brain's "oops, try again" button. It compares what just happened to what we expected, and sends a signal that says, adjust, learn, grow. Each correction strengthens connections between neurons. It's like the brain is building new pathways every time a child tries again. Mistakes, in other words, are the brain's way of improving itself. Dr. Montessori designed her classrooms to make this process natural, not scary. The materials themselves show the error. A puzzle piece that doesn't fit, a sound cylinder that mismatches, the child notices, thinks, and repeats. No one rushes in to fix it. Because when children correct themselves, the reward is deeper than praise. It's the brain's own release of dopamine, that tiny burst of satisfaction that says, I did it. This cycle, try, notice, adjust, succeed, is how confidence takes root. When mistakes bring fear or shame, the amygdala, the brain's emotion center, sounds the alarm, and learning shuts down. But when mistakes are safe, the prefrontal cortex stays calm and active, ready to reflect, plan, and try again. That's why a teacher's calm presence isn't just kind, it's neuroscience in action. It keeps the brain open for learning. So next time a child drops, spills, or forgets, pause before rushing in. Because at that very moment, their brain is working harder and growing faster than ever before. Mistakes don't mean failure, they mean the brain is learning something new.